you're probably already learning Chinese, but it's just that you wanted to learn more in how you can connect emotions. Emotions can help you to go to that next level.
Engagement.
To person that you will be interacting with. On this video, I will share what are those emotions in Chinese for a start to connect and emphasize and to open the next layer of your
engagement.
Let's start with the first word. 开心,开心 means happy. So, are you happy today? 今天你开心吗? Sad. I feel sad. 我觉得很伤心。兴奋 excited. I feel excited to see you. Shy. 害羞担心 worry. I worry about him. 害怕
Afraid.
I love. So I love you. 我爱你 Like. 喜欢 I like you. 我喜欢 or 想要 want. So what do you want to learn in next video? 困 sleepy. I feel sleepy. 渴 thirsty. I feel thirsty. 我觉得很渴。饿 hungry. I feel hungry. 感恩
Grateful.
Okay, smart Chinese learners, if this video gives your value, give us thumbs up and let's know your comments below about this video, or let us know if you have any suggestive topics on our upcoming videos. We will craft it for you. And don't forget, subscribe our channel if you haven't yet, because we are going to upload videos every week so that we can help you on your Chinese learning journey. And I will see you on my next videos. 再见，拜拜。